Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're going to be using our Cricut machine to make this adorable little birthday card. I know you cannot see it because it's written in marker, but it says a little birthday love with a really cute little heart balloon there. And then we have the inside, we added more hearts as well. The front and the inside is all done using the Cricut markers. And the colors I just used two. I have cactus pink and gemstone blue. All right, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, at the computer, you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. You can also use the desktop version if you'd like to. Alright, on this page, we're going to go down to where it says Cricut Access and then click on View All. In the upper right hand corner where it says Cricut Access, click on that and then go down and click on Cards. In the search box, type in the word love, L-O-V-E, and then click on Enter. This brings up all the love cards, and the one we're making is this one here. It's called the Birthday Love Card. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up a preview window. Now you can see in the preview picture, they did use a sewing machine to go around that. I did not do that part. At the very bottom, go ahead and click on Customize. So now we have all of the card parts. I did not use the envelope, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that to remove that piece. So we have the card base, and then we have the white piece for the inside of the card. I'm going to right click on the card base first and choose Ungroup and then separate these layers here. Alright, so now these two pieces are the one I want to play with or adjust. So I'm first going to click on this one, right click on it and choose Duplicate. So I have the original piece over there. Do the same for the hearts, right click on those and choose Duplicate. And set one of those aside. So in case we mess up, we still have those pieces over there as a backup. Alright, so now this piece here, all I want from this piece are those little tiny hearts. So I need to right click on that piece and then choose Detach. That kind of releases everything. Take on the white piece and delete that and then click on the hearts and bring them up over there and I can delete the rest of that part. So now we have the two hearts. They are connected, they're attached, so I'm not able to right click and choose Ungroup. So rather than using the Hide Contour feature, I think it's much easier if you go to the left hand side toolbar and click on Shapes. I'm going to grab a square, bring the square over, make it be a little bit smaller. And all I want is a large heart, so I'm going to bring the square over and hide the smaller heart. Take your left mouse button across both of those pieces. The very bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, you will see you have Slice, Weld, Attach, Flatten. I'm going to go and click on Slice. That kind of slices them apart. So now all I can have here is the heart I want. Take your mouse across those ones and you can delete them. All right, so this is the inside of the card. I'm going to bring these hearts over for the inside. Then bring this heart over as well. Just going to rotate that how you like it. Now those small pink hearts, they're already set to draw. This piece is set to cut. I'm going to change that to set it to draw as well. So I'm going to click on this piece. Now if you go to the very top toolbar on the left hand side, you will see line type. You see it's set to cut. I'm going to click on the arrow and change that to draw. So now you see it changes and it's just the outline. So I'm going to take my mouse across all those pieces, the whole card, with my left mouse button. You want to right click on that and choose Attach. You can also go to the very bottom right-hand corner of Design Space and click Attach that way as well. So now that means that piece is all done. So it is going to draw out the pink hearts and also the black heart. Now on this piece, let me bring that back over here. You can see this piece, it has the text on it, the little hearts, and also the string for the balloon. If you want to change these colors, you want to click on this piece here. Then you go to your layer panel on the right-hand side. You will see where you are because it'll be highlighted. You can see there. If I click on this piece, that part highlights. So click on this piece and it's going to bring up all four parts of that part. You will see we have a draw, 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 and cut. If you want to change the color of something, just go and click on where it says draw. So you can see this one is highlighting just the string. That means I can change that string color. So in the upper left-hand corner again, where it says line type, you will see it's already set to draw. But there's a box next to that, which is set to black. If you click on that box, you can change it to make it be any color you'd like. So if you want to make it be like a light turquoise color, you can do that. I'm going to put it back to black. And you would do the same thing for the other parts. So I have this piece selected again. Click on Draw again. You will see this is for the small hearts. Click on Draw again. That's for the text. That's how you can change all the text colors out without ungrouping each piece. All right, so it looks like we're good to go. Upper right-hand corner, go ahead and click on Make It. So I'm going to bring this heart down. This I'm able to use a 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, and this does use the Cricut markers to draw those features out. Next we have pink, which is our card base. This will use the scoring tool. So you can either use a scoring wheel or the scoring pen, which is what I use. Then we have the blue piece, and then we have the red piece. The very bottom corner of the design space, click on continue. Then once my machine connects, I'll show you how to figure out what marker you're going to use first. So now we're at this screen here. We need to set our material. I'm just using regular cardstock, so I'm going to click on that piece here. Then you will see it says load tools and mat. So it tells you to load the red pen first, which is the pink pen. You'll also need the black pen and the blue pen. So you're going to load your mat. It's going to first draw out the red, then the machine will stop and tell you to add the next color marker and then the next color marker. So the first mark you want to put in your machine will be the red color, in this case anyway. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out, go to the table, and we'll put our card together. All right guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. I'm first going to take my card base, I'm going to fold that in half, and use your bone folder to give that a nice edge. And this is taller than it is wider. It's about 5 1/4 by 5 or somewhere around there. All right, then we have our inside piece, our outside piece, and our layer piece here. I'm going to take this piece, put that on there. And you can see on mine what I did, because we only used the black marker here, I went ahead and ran this blue, and I just used the same marker I used in my Cricut to draw that, which is just a, the Cricut fine marker. And I'm going to go in real quickly and just kind of dash the outsides of this. Okay, that wasn't too bad, right? All right, now we're going to go ahead and take that and glue that to the front. I'm using my Scotch tape gun. I got this from Michael's many years ago. All right, put this on the front. Then this piece we're going to pop up. But before I do that, I want to grab little hearts that go on the front of that. There we go. Here's our little heart. Then we have this heart here. I'm going to grab my art glitter glue. I get it from MadeIt.com. Put some glue on the back of this guy. And then glue that to the white one. Alright, so we have that piece. And then we have this little heart. I'm going to go and grab my tweezers. And some scrap paper. And I'm just going to put a glob of glue there. And just kind of dip this little guy in it. Like that. Then dab it off. And then bring that to our card. Just like that. This one I did not pop up. I'm just going to glue it down because I am popping up the actual whole card. Okay, we're going to flip it over and grab our foam squares. I also get these from Made It as well. I'm going to use 5, all 4 corners, and the one in the center. Give all them a squish, and then take the backing off, and then we're going to put it on our card. So a really fast little project, and really cute card. I love that it's not your normal size. It's big enough to where you can put a gift card in there if you want to, or a little pocket for it to hold a gift card. Alright, so there's that. And then lastly we have the inside. Okay, again, I used Stampin' Up! This is Blushing Bride and Balmy Blue, so I tried using markers to match that. I think it came pretty close, but it is rather light, but in person you can see it really well. Alright guys, there you have it. 2 super cute and fairly easy birthday cards. Any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.